How to remove someone on Snapchat group. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Then click on the group chat you want to remove someone from. Click on top of the group chat and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you scroll down, you'll find group members option. Click on it and hold on to the person you want to remove. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find remove from group option on top with red mark. Click on remove from group and the person will be removed from group. This is how to remove someone on Snapchat group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.